Hello guys, welcome to my channel Computer Knowledge. Today in this video we will learn about how to download Python 3.9 in our laptop or PC. So let's start our video. So first we have to open a browser. In this we have to search Python. After the searching of Python, click on Welcome to Python. Then click on Downloads. Then click on Download Python 3.9. The setup of Python 3.9 is downloaded. Go to Downloads. Then click on Show in folder. Double click on it. Then click on Install now. The setup of Python 3.9 is installing. The setup of Python 3.9 is completed installed in your my computer. You can understand my video, please like, comment and subscribe and click on bell icon for my latest notification.